guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mrunmayee and this is probably my first video. So I wanted to start a YouTube channel since a very long time, but I couldn't because I guess I wasn't ready. So here I am with the first video and I hope you guys like it. If you do, then please like, share, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to hit that bell icon there so whenever I upload a video you'll get to know. So since this is my first video, I do not want to make it really complicated and long. I will keep it very short and simple, and I know how this process actually looks like. It looks really hard, but it isn't, because if I can do it, so can you, and that's how I'm going to show you how to make it simple but beautiful. So keep watching till the end to know how it actually turns out to be.
So I'll start off with a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. Then I'll use the Lakmé Absolute White Intense Concealer in the shade Ivory Fair and apply it all over the lid. Now with a beauty blender, blend in the concealer in dabbing motions. Quickly set it with a powder. I am using Lakmé 9 to 5 Primer with Matte Powder Foundation Compact. Now I'll put a tape in a slanting position to make the application easier. With my Makeup Revolution Fortune Favours the Brave palette, I have picked this turquoise shade and applied it on the outer corner and also as a transition shade. Make sure to blend it well. Remove the excess eyeshadow from the inner corner with a makeup wipe so that the concealer doesn't pile up. Now cut the crease halfway through with the same concealer. Blend the concealer with the same turquoise shade. Avoid all the harsh lines. Set it with some powder so that it doesn't crease. Now I'm taking the shimmery green shadow on a sponge tip brush and applying it on the cut crease. With the same turquoise shadow, we'll blend them together so it doesn't look like a straight line. Now I'm using the Lakmé 9 to 5 liquid eyeliner and drawing a small wing starting from the outer corner. Now we shall connect till the inner corner of the eye. Apply some mascara or lash extensions if you want to. I'm only applying mascara. Now with a small tip brush and the same turquoise shade, smudge it on your waterline. You can remove the tape now. Highlight the inner corner of your eyes and also don't forget to highlight the brow bone. And it's done. Now I'll quickly finish the rest of the makeup and get back to you guys.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
That's it for today's video. I have mentioned all the products in the description box below, so do not forget to check them out. And if you want to see me again, I will be there on every Monday and Friday, so do not forget to like, share, comment. If you have any suggestions regarding any videos, you can tell me in the comment section below. I check all the comments and I will be glad if you tell me what sort of videos do you like and what you don't, so I can make it in the future. And yeah, that's it. See you guys in my next video, which is probably on Friday, so do not forget to check that out as well. So yeah, bye until next time.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.